you also want to generate auto shots like this in a hurry, whether they are historical shots, motivational shots, health shots, or self-improvement, you can generate all easily. Then you clicked on the right video, because in this video, I will enable you to generate auto shots without spending a single rupee. You don't need to generate scripts, nor do you need to generate images. With only 2 clicks, you can generate a professional level shot. You just have to select the topic and then generate and download. So let me explain. Open your Google and search for AutoShots AI. This website is completely paid. You cannot download videos from it, but no problem. I will tell you a free way to download videos. Now click on sign up here, enter your Gmail, and then enter your password and see. Now go to the Gmail account, copy the OTP code and paste it, and now submit. So your account now is ready. Now we will generate the video. So to generate the video, click on create your series and then select email me. Now choose a content. Here you will see some content, whichever you like. Select that one. I am generating historical shots videos, so I select interesting history, and now I am selecting alloy in voice, and in language I am selecting English only, and I'm selecting 30-60 seconds in the time duration, and final create. Now wait for some moments. Now our video is ready. Let's play.
Beijing Life gave iconic Forbidden City a symbol China's...
Okay, if you try to download, it won't download because this website is paid, but no cost. Before I tell you the trick to download, subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Now, the Gmail you use to sign up on the website. When you generate a video on the website, you receive an email on that same Gmail, something like this. Your video is ready. Now, if you scroll a bit, it will say you can also download it directly here. So there will be a link below this message. You have to click on this link and it will be downloaded directly. If there is still any issue, then comment. I will explain in the reply. 2 types of videos are uploaded on the actual Grow channel. How to create
viral shorts on how to grow a short channel. So subscribe and take care.